My name is Denasia Dixon. I just graduated from Smithfield-Selma High School, and I'm a recipient of the Gates Scholarship. When I first got the scholarship, I thought it was a mistake, fully honest. I had opened the email and I was just like, Gates has emailed me. I wonder, maybe I left something out of my application. It's like, oh no, I got the scholarship. So I jump off the couch, I'm like, Mom, I got the scholarship. I did it, everything's great. And it was just like an hour of just everybody crying, hugging and all that. My IB program director, Ms. Hutchings, she's the one, she had shared the information with us and she's like, hey guys, if you meet these requirements, you should definitely apply. And I did. Directing our school's winter play was like the most biggest moment of my high school career. It was so very rewarding I work with these other students since November, auditions, rehearsals, practices, putting all of this together. And then in February, we put on our show and it was unreal to see that all play out on stage like that. I'm going to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill to major in psychology. I like how psychology lets us explore the depths of the human mind, but also the more sociological aspects of it, where you're studying how people interact with each other and how we build our society, especially within cultures. I think the independence of college is what excites me the most, just because you're in a whole new place, but also everything on a campus is sort of self-contained. So you have access to everything you could ever need. And it's you can do whatever you want, but you also have there are some restraints and there's a safety net to fall back on if you ever need one. I mostly just want to like I said before, researching, writing papers, writing textbooks, probably at some point go into teaching it, especially internationally. I have a lot of interest in doing international teaching, mostly just taking what I've learned and then further adding to that pool of knowledge.